A new transportation center for downtown Kingston may be on the horizon. Kingston's Mayor Delroy Williams this week argued that the facility is needed as the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation moves ahead with plans to transform the city. He was speaking at the launch of the Alpha Campus redevelopment plan. If Kingston's Mayor Delroy Williams gets his way, areas like Parade in downtown Kingston will be clear of all vehicles. The reason?
We need to take the buses out of Parade and make Parade a recreational space.
To this end, he says he's had discussions with Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Transport Minister Robert Montague about his proposal. According to the mayor, the KSAMC owns land in downtown Kingston, which can be used to build a new transport center. Of note, however, is the over $400 million transport center on Water Lane, which was opened in 2011. Millions are lost each year as the facility is not widely used. The Kingston mayor offered this solution.
I believe where we have the Darling Street Transport Center and the Petron Street Transport Center, we can make that into just one very good, functional transport center and make the Parade a space for pedestrians.
He adds that with the renovation of the historic Ward Theatre nearing completion, the changes are necessary.
We are procuring what we call the North-South renovation project. That is now in the procurement process. We have the money, Minister, to do that. We are going to change the entire, what we call sidewalk, from Parade to Big Tree. We can't have the Ward Theatre space there with all those buses, disorder, just general disorder in the space. So that has to change, Minister. So I'm asking for Ministry of Tourism and all the agencies attached to the Ministry of Tourism and all the non-governmental organizations and the church to come on board with us and push the idea of removing the buses from the space.